Hello, hello!
And he's back!
Masaya na siya ngayon. Hindi na siya malungkot. Hindi na siya nag-iisa.
And he's back. Hindi, masama pa rin pakiramdam niya. Pero,
kamusta po kayo dyan?
it's us again.
June and Shine. Coming from you live from... Saan?
North Carolina,
North Carolina.
USA. So, kumusta naman po ang araw natin? Siyempre sa amin, masaya kasi walang pasok yung mga bata.
Opo.
And, siyempre...
Thanksgiving. Araw ng pasasalamat.
Hindi, bukas pa yun.
Bukas na din.
Thanksgiving Eve nila ngayon.
Eve, oh.
Oo.
Thanksgiving season.
Oo. So, ngayon, we will be talking about how are you going to transform your life with two simple words. And that is, thank you. Saying thank you, di ba? So, ano lang yun? It's like, we will just highlight the importance of, syempre, being grateful and why gratitude is sometimes overlooked in today's, busy world. So, bakit nga ba natin nakakalimutang mag-say ng thank you? So, syempre, there are common reasons why we often overlook it. So, syempre, sometimes people always take for granted the situation. It's like,
parang nagiging complacent na rin siguro.
Oo, people tend to become complacent, then sometimes people assume that those who are closest to them already, they know already that they appreciate them. So that's why people don't express, gratitude. And then, syempre, nandyan din yung, yung we're being too focused on negative aspects of life, like yung negativity bias. So it happens kasi when our brain is focused on our problems, which can make it hard to see the good things happening around us. So yun yung minsan make sa atin na hindi na makapag-thank you, lalo na sa amin sa healthcare. Although busy sa trabaho, minsan parang feeling ng mga ibang coworkers na parang minsan hindi ka na nakakapag-thank you kasi nga naging busy, naging toxic, parang gano'n, which is not good then, 'di ba? And then syempre, we often to forget to say thank you kasi we're feeling that small gestures don't matter anymore. Like yun nga, na-underestimate natin yung small gestures, na yung pagsasabi ng thank you for any small actions na nagawa para sa atin, 'di ba? Especially dito sa America, like people are so parang hindi man obsessed, but they are really grateful when you open the doors for them. That's what we have observed talaga, like especially sa mga kahit sa establishment, like they always do that for those people, for everyone actually. Hindi sila namimili ng tao na parang tutulungan nila or sharing those small gestures. And then also syempre yung impact ng gratitude on relationships.
Yun.
'Di ba?
Malaking bagay.
Malaking bagay 'yon kasi showing your appreciation, it strengthens your bond in personal and syempre professional relationship.
Then it builds respect na rin.
Trust and mutual respect. Oo. And then, syempre, it encourages a culture of kindness and reciprocity.
Yun.
Diba? Kasi minsan, nakakalimutan na natin yung mga ganong bagay ba? So, syempre, in personal relationship, like, saying thank you makes people, they feel that they are valued, or they are seen, or they are loved, diba? Like, syempre, for us, sa mga, we have 3 small children, di ba? Like, pag inuutusan namin sila, like, to get something, ganyan, we always tell them, like, okay, thank you, so that, alam mo yun, para makukultivate nila yung
please and thank you.
Please and thank you. Makukultivate nila yung value na ganon para madala nila yun hanggang sa paglaki nila. And then, as we mentioned then also, yung sa professional relationship, like, it builds mutual respect and trust, di ba, sa mga colleagues natin. No matter how busy we are, no matter how toxic the day went, like, at the end of the day, just parang wag mong palipasin yung araw na makapagsabi ka ng thank you. Hindi man on the right, hindi man sa pagkakataon na halimbawa may nagawang gesture yung isang kasama mo sa trabaho, but then at least make sure na bago matapos ang araw nyo is ma-appreciate mo yung nagawa mo sa kanila. Diba? And then, alam nyo ba na ang gratitude is backed by science? It's backed with research.
Paano mo nasabi?
Sabi nila, study shows that people who practice gratitude regularly are happier and less stressed.
Okay.
Diba? Kasi gratitude wires the brain to focus on positive experiences, which reduces feelings of anxiety and depression. Kaya nga, diba, kung napapansin nyo, yung mga taong joyful, yung mga taong grateful, like, yung na-appreciate nila yung small things in their life, mapapansin mo parang ang sasaya nila, 'di ba? Yung parang walang lugar ang lungkot sa buhay nila. Kasi nga they appreciate life, they are thankful with kahit na nahihirapan sila. They just they are just grateful. We don't know from where they are getting their strength, but the point there is nagpapasalamat pa rin sila. 'Di ba? And also gratitude improves physical health by lowering blood pressure and boosting the immune system. 'Di ba nga kaya pagka napapansin natin when you are stressed, yung talagang parang puro negative na yung naiisip natin, 'di ba? Minsan ang taas-taas ng blood pressure natin.
Mataas ang cortisol level.
Mataas yung blood pressure, yung kumbaga puro stress, 'di ba? Yung bumababa yung immune system kasi nga puro negative thoughts yung naiisip natin. And also sabi din ng research is gratitude doesn't just benefit others, it also enhances our well-being and helps us build a more optimistic outlook on life. Kasi nga 'di ba nga ang sabi nila parang abundance comes from being grateful, 'di ba? Not just abundance in a sense na kumbaga parang
not just financially siguro.
Not just financially, but abundance through, alam mo yun, yung mental health mo, yung other aspects of your life. When you are grateful, talagang, it naturally comes out. Diba? And then, also, meron din naman siyang, we have practical ways to say thank you more often. Diba? Like, syempre, yung mga practical ways na yun, we can apply it immediately. Like, after you have watched our live session tonight, you can start it right away. So you can start it with your family and friends. So like verbalize appreciation for everyday actions, like syempre pagka sa bahay, like if your spouse is cooking dinner for you guys, ganon, 'di ba? Like just say thank you, like thank you for the dinner, thank you for the effort, yung ganon ba? Or thank you for helping with the household chores, ganon. Any simple things na nagagawa ng ating family for you, 'di ba? Also for our colleagues and any strangers, 'di ba? Syempre, sa work, if you ask for help, don't forget to say thank you, 'di ba? Kasi it doesn't matter how simple the help they provided you, but it's the effort that you have told them that you appreciate the help they gave you, 'di ba? And then syempre, yung sa strangers, yung may makasalubong ka sa grocery na pinagbuksan ka ng pintuan, 'di ba? Just a simple thank you, it will lighten their day, it will brighten their day. 'Di ba?
Kahit na sa elevator, harangan niya yung pinto ng elevator before you go out or you come in. Malaking bagay yun.
And then syempre for yourself, 'di ba? Like you need to acknowledge your hard work, 'di ba? Kumbaga dito rin napapasok yung parang ang tawag dito, yung me time siguro. Treat yourself for your hard work. Pamper yourself, 'di ba? Kasi you deserve it. 'Di ba?
Hindi lang, totoong-totoo yun. Kasi nga naman, it's more about you as a person. Wala nang ibang, kumbaga, magdadala nun kung di ikaw. The way you carry yourself, the way you are, kind to other people, grateful to other people. Ikaw yun. Walang ibang magdidikta nun.
So, incorporating gratitude in our daily life, ano naman yan eh. Although, for those people na parang nakakalimutan ngayon, actually, you can make it a habit naman. Maybe you can start by thanking 3 people daily. Kahit sino. Sa pamilya mo, sa workplace mo, 'di ba? Or yung strangers na napagbubuksan ka ng pintuan, 'di ba? Or napagbubuksan ka ng elevator, 'di ba? While doing it daily, like you are already creating the habit, 'di ba? And then syempre, you also have to emphasize the importance of being specific on what you are what the thank you
or grateful for, 'di ba? You have to explain what you are grateful for. Like siguro sa trabaho mo, thank you for helping out, ganon, 'di ba? Or for your kids, thank you for kunwari, inutusan mo siya, thank you for bringing this to me. So, you just have to be specific then why you are thanking them, why you are grateful to them. Yun lang. Tawagin ka para kumain, malaking bagay na yun. Anak mo, di ba? Natutuwa ako sa mga bata pag kakatok sa kwarto. Lalapit sa'yo. Daddy, kain na.
Oo,
sarap. Napakasarap sa pakiramdam. So, sabihin ko lang sa kanya, sunod na ako, thank you, gano'n. And ganado naman siya sa susunod. Pag pinatawag mo siya ulit, maliksi siyang tatakbo, tatawagin ka ulit. Di ba? So,
it creates a positive environment when you do that.
Tama.
So, di ba, like showing gratitude can act as a tool to shift perspective during tough times, then syempre helping to find positivity even in challenging situations. So I know it is difficult to be
to be grateful when you are on a tough times, di ba? Like kasi minsan naiisip natin na parang ako na lang ba ang pwedeng magkaroon ng gantong problema? Bakit parang ako na lang? Yung when we are on a negative situation, it's really difficult to find positivity. It's really difficult to even say thank you. 'Di ba? Kasi nga we are so blinded with the negative parang yung negative feeling, and we understand that, but by practicing or incorporating this habit, like yung being grateful, it really helps you to transform your life. Maybe for others,
hindi lang yung buhay nila and yung current situation siguro where they are currently. They might be in a very difficult situation or not so favorable. But when you start being grateful and being thankful sa mga nangyayari, syempre nababago yung takbo ng sitwasyon.
So in summary, gratitude is a simple and yet powerful and transformative value, hindi man. Kumbaga para siya? Character, pwede, oo. Although it's a small habit, it can improve relationships, your mental health, and syempre yung overall happiness natin. So, for those who will be watching this on a replay, we want to challenge you. Maybe think of a person that you haven't thanked recently.
Siguro, maganda rin itanong yun. When was the last time you said thank you to someone?
Oo.
Or naka-receive kayo ng thank you from someone?
From someone. Or if you haven't received any appreciation from others, be that person to reach out and say thank you to them, and be specific why you are
thanking them.
Oo. And then we'll see how that goes. And on this specific topic, our discussion today, just comment in below, so at least we will know how did it go. And then maybe we can, discuss it, or we'll make it another topic na pwede nating ma-explore ulit. Diba? And then maybe just maybe an expiring quote to leave them para naman ma-inspire sila lalo. So, syempre, gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusions into clarity. So, it makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow.
Wow.
So, grabe yung nabibigay ng gratitude in our life. So, it's indeed true na by being grateful, it can really transform your life. So, I hope we were able to leave a valuable insight to you guys. And although tomorrow will be Thanksgiving, let us not just thank the Lord for tomorrow, for today, but we need to be, we just have to be grateful for every day, diba?
Consistent dapat.
Consistently. Kasi there are many things that happened in our life that we are to be grateful for. Yes. Totally. Not just every year that we are celebrating this Thanksgiving, but it is every day.
Amen.
So, maraming salamat po for tuning with us, and for those who will be watching replay. And may God bless us always and all your decisions in life. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat
Good
po.
night.